Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this window of Deepseek. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will restart your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your